Something is changing on YouTube, and creators are waking up to chaos. Overnight, videos vanish, channels disappear, and no one knows exactly why. The algorithm isn't just changing, it's punishing AI creators. Many creators thought automation was a shortcut. Now it feels like a trap. But there's a deeper truth most are missing. YouTube's algorithm has become smarter, stricter, and more selective than ever. It's no longer enough to upload AI-generated content blindly. Engagement is king, watch time is sacred, and YouTube will remove anything that feels fake or repetitive. Some channels thought they were safe until one day they weren't. Creators are asking, how can I survive this algorithm storm? Step 1. Understand the new rules. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Step 2. Add your unique human touch, your voice, your style, your insight. Step 3. Focus on storytelling, not just scripts. Visuals need to engage, motion, emotion, simplicity. Your audience must feel every line, every pause, every reveal. Don't just chase trends, build a rhythm. Consistency beats virality. Comments, likes, shares, they are proof your content is alive. Analytics are your compass, watch them daily. The brutal truth, if you ignore these changes, your channel could vanish next. But if you adapt, you don't just survive, you thrive. AI will remain part of content creation, but you are the secret ingredient. Don't fear the algorithm, understand it. Every deleted video is a lesson, every demonetized clip a warning. Act fast, innovate daily, engage deeply. This isn't the end for AI creators, it's a wake-up call. If you follow these steps, your channel can rise above the chaos. YouTube is changing, but so can you. Stay alert, stay creative, and never stop learning. Your subscribers will notice, your watch time will soar, and the best part, you'll be future-proofed against every update. The algorithm is tough, but creators tougher. Adapt, evolve, dominate. Start today. The next wave of successful channels is waiting. Comment below if you've survived a YouTube deletion scare, and don't forget to subscribe for more growth strategies.